Hey, hi, good morning. Hey, hi, good morning, all. Myself, Giri Kumar. Today, we are learning about how we can debugging the logs in server side and also client side. So, first of all, in server side, this is server side. It's a server side. We are server side. How we can debug the logs. And client side, how we can debug the logs. How we can debug the logs. Okay, there is an two sides. Server side, we are hitting the services, whatever the services we are hit the services, that services we are getting, we get getting the response. That's why we are writing on Apex class. On that Apex class, so first of all, hit the services. And what is this Apex class means? This Apex class is an one of the external systems. We are hit the services on external systems and get the response. Whatever the response we are getting, we are get the success. We are deserialization on that. After then deserializations, we are mapping whatever the response we are stored on our database. Not stored on database, we are get that information. Okay, so that's why we are hit the services and execute the hit the services Apex class we are hitting and get the debug logs. The response we are getting, this is the response. We are hit the services on third party, and Iron Man is one of the movie, so we have to get the response. So these are all the response. Okay, that's why we are put it at on Apex side. We are put it at the system logs. Wherever the system logs, we are getting the response. Okay, that response on logs, we are showing on that logs. Logs will be generated when they hit the Apex class. They are automatically generated on here logs. Okay, on here on Salesforce, we go to then the debug logs has be there. Debug log, debug logs. When you click on that debug log, okay, we it's not generated. Just we have to we want to generate on this log. Just we want to edit and today date, right? And save this. Tomorrow at same time, and save this one. And you want to hit the services again on this. This is the class, this is the method, whatever the parameters we are sending on this. This is matrix. Okay, matrix movie. We execute the hit the services. We are hit the services. We got the logs. and here also just you have to refresh on this log, apex log. Here also we have to easily to check that logs. We get the logs, and this is the log. What is the response we are getting? All these response we are showing on these logs. Okay, that type of also we can check the on through on logs these services, and also here on developer console also we are checking on the through on these logs also. We can check it on the server side. Okay, and we go to them the this is finish on server side. This is client side. Okay, on client side how we can hit the services? First of all, on in we want to first of all we have to call to the call the apex class on here. Okay, whatever the apex class we can write it that writing on that, and imperative we are using on here, and get the response, get the results, and if you not the get the results and catchy we can write it. So time interval when the reloaded the time, there are automatically the 2 minutes the reloaded the time, can write it on the on connected callback. Okay, set timeout we are put it at these type of conditions. Okay, on front end we are using on these whatever the response we are getting we are showing on our UI part on table. Okay, okay, we go to them the UI, and here we search on matrix. Okay, we hit the services, we get the result matrix. It's an total how many, we are easily to find out the things on go to them the inspect. Okay, first of all if you know the component name, we can easily to find out that is it's a movie data, it's an component. In console we have an 10 arrays, we have an we are it's all the get it the response on matrix, we fetch the data, that data we are showing on here. This is the network. On network side whatever the we want to all the information preserve logs, we are check the checkbox, right? These checkbox we want to get all the data, we want to need it, we want to all the data HR file we are easily to save it, save this in systems. On here on we go to them on download. Okay, on here we get the whatever the logs, right? That logs showing on edit in notepad. In notepad we get the result. We get all the results whatever HR file. So this it's how we can debug the logs in UI part. Okay, that's it. These are all information were stored on here. Okay. That's it. Thank you.